Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika recipes. Today's special Hariyali chicken kebab with chicken leg pieces. For this recipe, I'm taking 6 chicken leg pieces and we will start our job to soak them in the salt water to make them more tender and juicier. So let's get started with soaking the chicken. I'm taking washed whole chicken legs, approximately 1.5 kg of weight. Take the chicken legs and make deep gashes. Make 7 to 8 gashes on each leg piece. To make them more tender and cook uniform, we are making these gashes so that they will become softer and cook well from inside. At the same time, to make sure that masala will go each and every incision. After making gashes, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of salt. If possible, add rock salt for this recipe. I'm pouring water till it covers all the chicken. Now we will soak the chicken legs as minimum 1 hour to make them more tender. Till that, we will prepare marinade. To prepare marinade, here I'm taking 2 small bunches of mint leaves and medium sized bunch of coriander leaves. Approximately same quantity with mint leaves. Separate the mint leaves from the stems. If you pull back, leaves will separate easily. Place them on a plate. Now cut the coriander leaves 2 inches above the roots. These stems are little harder and will not taste good while eating. To make them easy to blend, I'm cutting into small pieces. Place it on a plate and cut 1 inch size ginger into small pieces. Now what we need to do is put all the ingredients into the blender jar and make them into a paste. Into the blender I will put one by one, starting with mint leaves. Coriander leaves. 4 green chilies to make our marinade little spicy. 8 to 12 cloves of garlic. I remove the skin of the garlic. Ginger pieces which we cut before. Salt to taste. 1 teaspoon of white pepper powder. 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds powder. 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Close the lid and blend into a paste. Add little bit of water as per the consistency. Don't add too much of water. Add just to make it creamy paste. That's it. Our marinade is ready. Now we will marinate our chicken leg pieces. Take out the chicken from the water and drop the masala on the top of the chicken. Add 1 teaspoon of salt or check and add as per the taste. Here I'm using Himalayan pink salt. It will give good flavor. Spread the masala all around the chicken and keep inside the gashes as much as possible. We have finished our marination. Now we will give rest for 2-3 hours in the fridge. After 3 hours, take out and place them on the baking tray. Now I will spread little bit of oil to avoid drying out the chicken while baking. Now our chicken is ready to go to oven. We will bake it 220 degrees 30 to 40 minutes. After 40 minutes of baking, our chicken is ready. Look at the texture, how good it is. It bakes perfectly. Serve this with raita and mint chutney with curd. It tastes delicious. If you like this video, give thumbs up. Your subscription is a big support to me and to my channel. Please comment below your opinion on this video.